Hello, my name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and today we're going to take a look at the 2022 255 LXF Scout. You'll notice she's in Rascal Blue, twin 200s, painted white to match the gel coat of the Scout. Got a nice bench seat aft here. Folds up if you are needing some extra room back here in the cockpit. Live well built in. Cooler tucked away underneath the helm seat. Got some great tackle storage here built in behind the helm. Moving forward, notice you have these flip up seats, which are quite nice, comfortable. Twin 10-inch Garmin screens. This boat is equipped with the Optimus joystick, trim tabs, VHF, and everything's tucked up in the top of the hardtop. It's got a nice glass windshield that wraps around, gives you nice protection. Moving forward, got nice high sides. So tucked away in here, we got a vacuum flush toilet, holding tank, pump out option. You also have the forward backrest for great seating up in the bow area. We have a flip down table built in the bow here, and of course anchor, windlass, everything is tucked away underneath the bowsprit. If you'd like to take a look at this boat in person, my name is Scott Douglas. We can be reached at 910-200-9636.